Hey everyone, welcome back to Intellect Insight. Today we are diving into a topic everyone's interested in: how to make money while you sleep. Yep, that's right. We are talking about passive income ideas for 2024. Whether you are looking to boost your bank account, prepare for the future, or just have more financial freedom, passive income can be a game changer. Let's jump right into it. Section 1: Real Estate Crowdfunding. Our first idea is real estate crowdfunding. Real estate used to be something only the wealthy could invest in, but now with crowdfunding platforms, you can invest in real estate with as little as a few $100s. You can earn passive income through rental payments and even property appreciation over time. Some popular platforms for this are Fundrise and Realty Mogul. Just imagine earning from real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. With 2024's growing digital platforms, this can be a great low maintenance way to diversify your income. Section 2: Dividend paying stocks. Next up, let's talk about dividend paying stocks. If you are already familiar with stocks, there is a great way to earn passive income. Dividend stocks pay out a portion of the company's earning directly to shareholders. This means every time a dividend is paid, you get cash, often quarterly, just for holding the stock. Platforms like Robinhood or TD Ameritrade make it easy to buy dividend stocks and even reinvest dividends to grow your investment faster. Look for companies with strong, stable track records. It's like getting paid for being a part owner of the company. Section 3: Peer-to-peer lending. Moving on to another innovative idea, peer-to-peer lending or P2P lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms, earning interest as they pay back the loan. Sites like Lending Club and Prosper help manage the process for you. This method can offer some high returns, but remember to spread your lending across multiple loans to lower risk. The interest can become a nice passive income stream as long as you manage your investments carefully. Section 4: Online course or ebook. Are you an expert in something? Well, passive income idea number 4 is creating an online course or an ebook. People are willing to pay for knowledge, and once you put the time in to create a high quality course or book, it can keep bringing in income without much additional work. Consider platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even Amazon Kindle for publishing. The best part, once you have created it, the work is mostly done and you can sell it over and over again. Section 5: Affiliate marketing. Next on the list is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale that comes through your link. If you already have a blog, a website, or even a strong social media following, you can use affiliate links to earn money whenever someone clicks and buys a product through your link. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareSell are great places to start. Tip: focus on products that align with your audience and bring real value. Section 6: Print on demand products. If you are creative, try print on demand products. You can design things like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. And platforms like Redbubble or Printful take care of the production and shipping for you. All you have to do is create the design and promote it. Whenever someone buys your product, you earn a profit without managing inventory or shipping. This can be a fun way to make money passively, especially if you have an eye for design. Section 7: index funds and ETFs. Last but definitely not least, we have index funds and ETFs. These are investment funds that track a market index like the S&P 500, and they are hands-off way to grow your wealth over time. Platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity make it easy to set up an account and start investing with low fees. Index funds are considered low risk and are perfect if you want to start small and let your money grow steadily over the years. Thanks for your valuable time. If you have any questions or doubts, then do let us know in comment section below.